your GK teacher and my name is Mrs. Jyoti. So before going into the lesson, I hope you all are fine and congratulations. You have passed 3rd class and you came to 4th. Everybody please be safe at home. Wash your hands thoroughly. For every 2 hours you wash your hands, and if you go out and come back also, you just wash your hand with the soap. And whenever you go out to any public place, soap and water is not available. So please use a sanitizer in such situations. Now, everybody please be ready with your textbook, your GK classwork and pencil. Now today, we are going to learn about leaders of the world. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the leaders of the world as well as leaders of India. So lesson number 1, it is about leaders of the world. So who are the leaders? Yes, you might have observed that in the previous year you have class leaders, you have first leader, second leader, as well as you have bench leaders also, isn't it? Yes, leader is the person who gives motivation to others. Otherwise, a leader is a person who always thinks about how can we handle the situation. If any problem is there, how can we handle the situation, or anything is there, how to improve in that situation, what are the betterments we can do in that situation. So leader is a person who thinks about all these things, who will lead a group of people. That person is called as a leader. So leader is a person who is always connected with the people. A leader is a person who is always connected with the people and who always talks, who listens to their problems and solves it. Every time they work for the betterment of their committee. Now here in this lesson we are going to learn about the different leaders throughout the world. Now in the textbook, open page number 426. Open page number 426. So in the warm-up, if you see, who is the current president of United States of America? Everybody knows this answer. The current president of United States of America is Donald Trump. So warm-up answer is, who is the current president of United States of America? It is Donald Trump. So everybody should use only pencil, nobody should write with pen. So in the given space you write down there Donald Trump. The next, match these great leaders with their countries they led. So one side they have given the name of the leaders and the other side they have given the country's name. Now you have to match to which country they belong to and to which country they have lead. Now the first one is Kemal Atatürk. The first one is Kemal Atatürk and the correct answer is Turkey. In bracket you write down E. Okay, the letter near Turkey is E. Kemal Atatürk is the person who led Turkey. He is the former president of Turkey. Everybody write near the first one E. Then the second one is Otto von Bismarck. Otto von Bismarck. And the correct answer for this is A, Germany. Otto von Bismarck, A, Germany. He is the first chancellor of Germany. Then Benito Mussolini. The third one is Benito Mussolini. And the correct answer for this is Italy. The letter near Italy is F. He is the former Prime Minister of Italy. Benito Mussolini was the former Prime Minister of Italy. Then fourth one, Queen Elizabeth II. So Queen Elizabeth II and the answer is United Kingdom and the letter is G. is the Queen of United Kingdom. The next, fifth one is Mao Zedong. It is Mao Zedong. So Mao Zedong, he is the chairman of China. He is the chairman of China Communist Party of China. So the letter is C. He is the chairman of Communist Party of China. The next one, sixth one is Ho Chi Minh. Sixth one is Ho Chi Minh. And the correct answer is H, that is Vietnam. He is the former Prime Minister. Okay, he is the former Prime Minister of Vietnam. Then the seventh one is Hirohito. The seventh one is Hirohito. And the correct answer for this is Japan. He is the former Emperor of Japan. Everywhere I am writing only small letters. Do not use capital letters. Okay. Then eighth one is Woodrow Wilson. Eighth one is Woodrow Wilson. And the correct answer for this is USA. Okay, the correct answer for this is USA. That is letter D. So he is the 28th president of USA, that is United States of America. The ninth one is Joseph Stalin. The ninth one is Joseph Stalin. So Joseph Stalin, for this the correct answer is option B. Former USSR. So he is the General Secretary of former USSR. Then 10th one is Julius Caesar. 10th one is Julius Caesar. And the correct answer for this is ancient Rome. And the letter is L. The letter is L. And he is the Roman general of the country Rome. And 11th one is Napoleon Bonaparte. The 11th one is Napoleon Bonaparte. The correct answer for this is J, that is France. So he is a military leader. He is the leader for military. Then the last one is Nelson Mandela. Everyone is fond of this name, isn't it? The last one is Nelson Mandela and the answer is K, that is South Africa. And he is also the former president, okay, former president of South Africa. So these are the answers. Once again, you just please check it. First one is E, second one is A, third one is F, fourth one is G, fifth one is C, sixth one is H, seventh one is I, eighth one is D, ninth one is B, 10th one is L, 11th one is J, and 12th one is K. So this is about the leaders of the world. Now here down, let's explore. There is a box given for you as let's explore. Collect pictures of the popular leaders of the world and make a collage. Also write their names. And make a small change here. Already you have just now you have written about the leaders of the world. So make a change as leaders of India. Okay, strike out the word. Strike it out like this and write India. Okay, let us now do the about leaders of India. So now this activity you are going to do it in your classwork. Now everybody please open your classwork. Everybody open your classwork. Now in the index column, write down serial number 1, lesson 1, leaders of the world. Serial number 1, lesson 1, leaders of the world. Now turn the page and write down today's date and day, and on top of the margin write down lesson number 1, leaders of the world. Now below that you have to mention a heading. Leaders of India. Mention the heading as leaders of India. Now I am going to give you 10 leaders name. Okay, I am going to give you 10 leaders name. What you have to do is you have to find out their pictures and paste it. Just write their name, then below that picture, and in the bracket you have to write the year's name and which year they are born and in which year they died. Okay, these 2 years you have to mention. Now for suppose first one is there, Mahatma Gandhi. So first one you are going to write like this. Now here you have to paste a photograph of Mahatma Gandhi, and here you should write in which year he is born and in which year he is expired. Like this you have to write. Okay. Now here I am going to write some of the leaders of India. You just note it down and paste the picture. Find out in which year they are born, in which year they died, and mention it below. Now after this you can write the second one down here, otherwise towards your right hand side. Yes. Now take the second one as Indira Gandhi. Please note it down everyone. First one Mahatma Gandhi and second one is Indira Gandhi. And the third one is Mother Teresa. Third one is Mother Teresa. The fourth leader is B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the fifth person is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Person is Jawaharlal Nehru. The sixth person is Jawaharlal Nehru. The seventh person is Lal Bahadur Shastri. Seventh person is Lal Bahadur Shastri. So all these people are the great leaders of India. The next, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. And then next, Sarojini Naidu. The ninth person is Sarojini Naidu. And the last person is Swami Vivekananda. So here in this lesson we are going to just give only 10 people name, okay? These are the 10 great leaders of India. Mahatma Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, B.R. Ambedkar, APJ Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sarojini Naidu and Swami Vivekananda. Now the thing is, what you have to do, you just write the name of the person, you stick a picture and below that you write down in which year they are born and in which year they died. This is your homework. Okay, from page number 426. Now your homework is, you just have to write down all these names and paste a picture and write down in which year they are born and which year they expired. So this is about the lesson. Hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session.